everyone. Welcome back to the Drive Vault. Let me ask you something really quick. When was the last time a camper van actually made you stop scrolling and say, "Wait, what is that?" Because this GMC camper van? Yeah, this is one of those moments. At first glance, it doesn't even look like a camper. It looks more like something straight out of the future. Like GMC quietly decided to rewrite the rulebook for van life in 2026 and didn't bother warning anyone. And the crazy part? The deeper you look, the more it starts to make sense why this could be one of the most exciting campers of this era. So let's talk about it. Right away, the design hits you differently. Most RVs are big, boxy, and honestly, kind of boring. This one isn't. The sharp lines, the black and white contrast, the blue LED lighting, everything about it feels intentional. It's sleek. It's modern. It feels more like a luxury SUV stretched into a camper than a traditional RV. That glowing GMC grille up front instantly gives it presence. Not aggressive in a loud way, but confident, like it knows it belongs on the road. The LED accents don't just look cool, they give it this high-tech, almost electric vibe, even if you didn't know anything about what's under the hood. And when you move along the side, you start noticing how clean everything is. No clutter, no awkward add-ons. The windows are perfectly aligned, the storage compartments are flush with the body, and that long LED strip along the roofline? That's not just for looks. It sets the mood when you're parked at night, whether you're in a campground or off the grid somewhere in the desert. The dual rear wheels are another big giveaway that this isn't just about style. That setup adds stability, better weight distribution, and a smoother ride, especially on long highway drives. It's built to travel far, comfortably, and confidently. Now let's step inside, because this is where things really start to hit. The moment you sit in the driver's seat, it doesn't feel like you're in a camper van. It feels like you're in a modern GMC luxury vehicle. The dashboard is clean and wide, the screens are large and easy to read, and the blue ambient lighting wraps around the cabin in a way that just feels calm. It's not flashy, it's relaxing. Everything is located where you'd expect it to be. No learning curve, no clutter. Whether you're driving across the country or just heading out for a weekend escape, it feels familiar, comfortable, and stress-free. And that matters more than people realize. Behind the cab, the living space continues that same design language. Bright, open, and smartly laid out. The colors stay clean and modern. The lighting feels warm instead of harsh, and every inch of space feels like it was actually thought through. This isn't a camper where things feel crammed together. It's compact, yes, but in a smart way. Seating that converts when you need it. A kitchen setup that's practical without being bulky. And storage that's actually usable instead of being an afterthought. The sleeping area follows the same idea. It's cozy, comfortable, and private. Not oversized, not overdone, just enough to feel like a personal retreat after a long day on the road. And if you've ever slept in a camper before, you know how important that feeling is. The bathroom setup is exactly what you'd expect from a modern camper done right. Clean, efficient, and designed so you don't feel like you're squeezing into a closet. Everything has its place, and nothing feels wasted. Now let's talk about what's powering this thing. While GMC hasn't officially locked down every detail, everything about this camper points toward a modern, efficient powertrain. Likely a refined gas setup, hybrid support, or even future electric inspiration. What matters most here is how it's designed to perform. This camper is built for smooth cruising. Long highway stretches feel stable and controlled. The dual rear wheels help keep things planted, and the overall balance makes it easier to drive than most large RVs. It's not intimidating. You don't feel like you're wrestling with it. You feel in control. And that's huge. especially for people who love the idea of RV life, but hate how stressful driving one can be. Now, pricing. This is not going to be a budget camper. And honestly, it's not trying to be. Based on the design, features, and overall execution, you're probably looking somewhere in the higher-end range. But here's the thing. When you compare it to other luxury RVs and campers that easily cross $500,000, this GMC starts looking surprisingly reasonable for what it offers. You're getting a future-forward design, a premium interior, modern tech, and a driving experience that feels closer to a luxury vehicle than a rolling house. And that's why this camper fits perfectly into 2026. This is the era where people want freedom without giving up comfort. Where van life isn't about surviving, it's about living well. Where technology blends into the background instead of overwhelming you. This GMC camper doesn't scream for attention. It doesn't try to be flashy. It just quietly shows what the future of travel could look like. Cleaner, smarter, and more human. So the real question isn't whether this camper is inspiring. The real question is this what van life is supposed to feel like now? Let me know what you think in the comments. Would you take this on a cross-country road trip? Would you live in it full-time? Or is this the kind of camper that makes you rethink what's possible? If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more future vehicles like this, and I'll see you in the next one.